Did she watch a movie last night? Did she watch a movie last night? Did she watch a movie last night?
Do you want to go home? Do you want to go home? Do you want to go home?
What time do you get up? What time do you get up? What time do you get up?
Where do you usually go on weekends? Where do you usually go on weekends? Where do you usually go on weekends?
I didn't hear you come home last night. I didn't hear you come home last night. I didn't hear you come home last night. What time did you get in? What time did you get in? What time did you get in? Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter?
What time does the bank open? What time does the bank open? What time does the bank open?
Where does your brother work? Where does your brother work? Where does your brother work?
Does he work hard? Does he work hard? Does he work hard?
We had a wonderful vacation. We had a wonderful vacation. We had a wonderful vacation.
I bought a new car last week. I bought a new car last week. I bought a new car last week.
I haven't seen you in forever. I haven't seen you in forever. I haven't seen you in forever.
Do you like music? Do you like music? Do you like music?
Do you take sugar in your coffee? Do you take sugar in your coffee? Do you take sugar in your coffee?
Do I speak English well? Do I speak English well? Do I speak English well?
That would be awesome!
That would be awesome. That would be awesome. Have you finished your homework yet? Have you finished your homework yet? Have you finished your homework yet? That was very interesting. That was very interesting. That was very interesting. You've got to come over. You've got to come over. You've got to come over.